Okay, Chris Crocker. It is very weird to put salt on a salad. I will give you that. But you know the dressings, no matter how little you use, they all have salt in them. So you're still technically putting salt on a salad, one way or another. So whether you shake it out of a salt shaker or you put a little bit of dressing on your salad, you're putting salt on your salad. And pancakes, you make them with salt. I know because I've been making pancakes for 3 years now, and you put salt in them. You put salt, sugar, flour, and water. Salt. Salt. S-A-L-T. Salt. Yes, it is defeating the purpose because you put fat into your salad. But that is how America is. Oh well. Let it be. You get fat. I'm fat. I don't put salt on my salad. I don't put a lot of dressing on my salad. But I'm fat still. That's America. That's how we are. So, yeah. Still love you. You're still amazing. Yeah. Love you. Love you, Chris Crocker. I don't know why I want to say Chris Colfer. But, you know, Chris Colfer's a douche. But whatever. Hey. But, yeah. I love you, Chris Crocker.